Step into the 2018 Nissan Rogue. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage regardless of road or weather conditions. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.